Tired of dealing with weak, breaking hair no matter what you try? Imagine rebuilding your hair's strength and structure within 6 weeks, making it resilient, shiny, and healthy again. ApHogee 2-step protein treatment offers exactly that, especially if your hair is permed, tinted, or relaxed. This isn't just another product, it's a professional-grade solution designed to stop hair breakage and restore your strands from the inside out. What sets ApHogee apart is its unique formula packed with magnesium and modified proteins. When heat is applied during the treatment, these proteins fuse deep into your hair, reinforcing each strand's structure. The process hardens the hair, visibly showing that something powerful is happening beneath the surface. Unlike typical at-home treatments, this 2-step system delivers salon-quality results that you can trust to strengthen fragile or damaged hair. Using ApHogee is straightforward. Start by shaking the bottle well, then gently cleanse your hair with the ApHogee shampoo. After rinsing and towel blotting, apply enough treatment to saturate your hair completely and comb it through for even coverage. The key is to dry your hair under medium heat without disturbing it, allowing the treatment to set properly. This method ensures the proteins lock in and work their magic, reducing breakage dramatically. Customers with bleached or processed natural hair have found ApHogee especially effective. For example, someone with natural 4B hair who also bleached and relaxed their strands shared how this treatment restored strength when their hair felt limp and weak. It's a perfect protein boost for anyone whose hair needs serious repair and resilience, making detangling easier and improving overall texture. If you're struggling with damaged hair and want a proven way to rebuild its structure, ApHogee 2-step protein treatment is worth a look. It addresses the root cause of breakage, so you get stronger, healthier hair that lasts. No more fragile strands or constant shedding. Just hair that feels renewed and ready for whatever style you choose. Try ApHogee when you're ready to invest in your hair's health. With consistent use, you'll notice the difference not just in how your hair looks, but in how it feels. Stronger, more resilient hair means fewer worries about breakage and more confidence in your everyday style. Give your hair the protein treatment it deserves and see the transformation for yourself.